How to transfer money from GCash to ShopeePay. So let's get started. Before you transfer money from GCash to ShopeePay, make sure that you have a verified GCash account and that you have enough balance to top up the amount you want. Now first, open the Shopee app, click the ShopeePay icon and then go to Wallet. And you can also go there by clicking the Me tab and clicking ShopeePay. Now on the ShopeePay area, click Top Up option available there. Now after you do it, enter the top up value, which is the amount you want to transfer to ShopeePay. You can choose from the listed denominations or you can enter the exact amount. The minimum amount you can transfer from GCash to ShopeePay is 50. At the moment, transfers are free. Next, click Payment. A list of payment methods will be shown. Click Payment Center, e-wallet and select GCash, then tap Confirm and click Pay Now. Now enter and confirm your email address, then simply tap on the Pay option available there. Now provide your GCash mobile number and then click Next option available in the blue highlights. Then an authentication code will be sent to your GCash mobile number. Enter the authentication code and click Submit Code. Now enter your 4-digit GCash MPIN, then tap Next. Now the amount due and your GCash balance will be shown. Tap Confirm and Pay to go ahead with the transfer. Wait for a few seconds as Dragon Pay process your payment. Do not close the app or click the back button. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.